Hello, welcome to my channel ICT Blogs. Today we'll learn how to do binary multiplication. First, we look the basic properties of binary multiplication. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 is multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 is multiplied by 1 is 0. 1 is multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay. First, now here we see that 0 is multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 0 is multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 1 is multiplied by 0 is 0. Now again 0 is multiplied by 1 is 0. 0 is multiplied by 1 is 0. 1 is multiplied by 1 is 1. Okay, now we have to add these numbers. Now here is no number, so 0 will put here. Adding 0 to 0 is 0. Adding 0 to 0 is 0. 1 will be here. We know that decimal 4 binary 100, decimal 2 binary 10. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and 8 decimal 8 equal to binary 1000 or 1000. Again 0 is multiplied by 1 is 0. 0 is multiplied by 1 is 0, and 1 is multiplied by 1 is 1. Again 0 is multiplied by 0 is multiplied by 1 is 0. 0 is multiplied by 1 is 0. 1 is multiplied by 1 is 1. Now we add these numbers. 0 will be here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 will be here. Now we see 4 equal to binary 100. 3 to binary 11. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Here 12 equal to 1 1 0 0. Here our answer. Now we are doing another math. 1 is multiplied by 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 0 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 0 multiplied by 1 0. 1 multiplied by 1 1. 1 multiplied by 1 1. Again 1 multiplied by 1 1. 0 is 0 multiplied by 1 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Now 0 will be put here. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 10 or 1 0. We'll put down 0 and we have carry 1. Adding carry 1 plus that 1 is 10. Now our answer is 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Now decimal 13 equal to 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. Decimal 6 equal to 1 1 0 1 1 0. Now we see 13 multiplied by 6 is 78, and its binary number is 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. 1 multiplied by 1 1 1 multiplied by 1 1 0 multiplied by 1 0 1 multiplied by 1 1 1 multiplied by 1 1 1 multiplied by 1 1 0 multiplied by 1 0 1 multiplied by 1 1 again 1 multiplied by 1 1 1 multiplied by 1 1 0 multiplied by 1 0 1 multiplied by 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 is 10. We put down 0, we have carry 1. Here 1 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. We put down 1 and we have carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus carry 1 is 11. Again we put down 1 and we have carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and that summation 1 plus carry 1 is 10. We put down 0 and we have carry 1. 1 plus carry 1 is into 10. Okay. We know that 11's binary number is 1011 and 7 binary number is 1 triple 1 or 111 111. Now 11 multiplied by 7 77 and 77 equal to binary 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, thanks all for watching my video.